Good morning, y'all. This is the Laurel Mercantile Company. This is our little shop.
We sell a lot of things that are made in Laurel, a lot of things that are made in Mississippi, and then a lot of things that are made in America, and that's where we draw the line.
This is what our moms got for Mother's Day. We gave both of them one. This is really great on Sunday lunch. You can put the fried chicken on it. Just like a little 10-minute watercolor sketch, really, in 2 colors, and it's our most popular print. People like the easiest one, which is kind of funny to me. Oh, these are really cool, the casserole totes. It even has a little pocket to hold serving spoons, so when you go to the potluck party.
A lot of people, when they think a gallery wall, well, it's got to be all mirrors.
Or it's got to be all family pictures, but it really doesn't, guys. Mix it up, go crazy. Anything that you love and that's special to you and personal to you is going to be beautiful when you put it all together on a wall. When you build a new house or you do a renovation in Laurel, people try to put a Laurel brick into the foundation or in their porch or in their fireplace hearth, and it's for good luck.
We make a lot of things in our shop, like the HOLLOWAY swing.
He made me one for our front porch, and I basically live there. It's a labor of love. We have a lot of heart and soul in everything we make and sell. So come visit us soon.
Yeah.
All right?
See y'all later.